I work based at the Australian National University, and I undertake the Luc Hoffmann Fellow project entitled Navigating the Mekong Nexus, Food, Water and Energy. I think firstly it's very complicated, the project, because it's look interaction between food security, water and energy use, especially in the context of the Mekong River system. And this is very emerging issue because the high demand for food in the developing countries, also demand for energy use, and at the same time they need to balance conservation and economic development and food security. I entered to conservation career just 2-3 years ago, but I recognize, in the last 30 years, because of the economic development and community or local community or government, they have more incentive to turn the wasteland in the Mekong Delta into rice paddy field. And now is the time they identify the problems. Identify problems of pollution, problem of intensification, problem to health, problem to biodiversity. And in recent years, about 2-3 years ago, the provinces in the Mekong Delta, they have action plan for biodiversity conservation. I think that's a good point for after the long periods of development, and they recognize the problems and feedback, and now they start to correct or recover, move to the higher state of conservation as a provincial level, for example. I recognize LHI Fellow give me a very important opportunities to network with scientists, network with NGO, network with researchers in a region. Before I work, my focus is only in the Mekong Delta in Vietnam. But thanks to joining with the team, LHI team, I can expand my work in Cambodia, Myanmar, extend my work in the region. I think the most important things in my life, after 2 years of being an LHI Fellow, my career look like now become a conservationist. Before I studied, sociology or environment or agriculture, but after I engaged in the project and my life become now closer with conservation. I am a mediator to link scientists and farmers and political decision makers to promote floating land conservation. And in my career, I will do more and expand my network and mobilize more young conservationists into my network to work more for the agricultural conservation, water, land, soil, conservation not only species, but about landscape, conservation of landscape. And I will work more on that, surely, the rest of my life.